Hello children, today we are going to learn about chapter 11 Transportation of Materials in Animals and Plants. As we know, all living things need food, water and oxygen for their survival and to perform various activities. The complete utilization of food by our body requires a good coordination of the digestive, respiratory, circulatory and excretory systems. We have already learnt about digestive and respiratory system earlier. Now let us learn about how the materials transported in our body and how waste substances are eliminated. The circulatory system is responsible for the transportation of digested food, gases and waste materials. It consists of blood, blood vessels, blood capillaries and heart. Blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. All these cells float in the liquid matrix of the blood called plasma. Blood flows through blood vessels. An adult man contains approximately 5 liters of blood in the body. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood. It contains about 90 to 92% of water. It is straw colored fluid in which blood cells are suspended. It helps in fighting infections and in clotting blood in case of injuries. Red blood cells or erythrocytes are oval shaped. These cells contain a red color pigment called hemoglobin. Its deficiency in blood may cause anemia. The lifespan of red blood cells is about 120 days. Red blood cells are formed in the bone marrow. White blood cells or leukocytes are larger than RBCs. Their main function is to fight against germs which cause various infectious disease. That's why these are also called as soldiers of the body. Platelets are also disc-shaped and formed in the bone marrow like RBCs. But they are very small in size, about 2 to 4 μ. They have a lifespan of about 5 to 9 days. The main function of platelets is to help in the blood clotting in case of an injury. A person can bleed to death if there is no clotting of blood. There are two main types of blood vessels in our body. These are arteries and veins. Arteries transport oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. The blood in the arteries is bright red in color, while veins carry blood which is low in oxygen and rich in carbon dioxide from the body to heart. They have valves that allow blood to flow in one direction towards the heart only. Heart is a powerful muscular organ. It lies between the lungs in the chest cavity of our body. It is 4-chambered. The heart is made up of special muscle cells called cardiac muscles, which contract and relax all the time without getting tired. The heart pumps blood throughout our body. Its size is about the size of your fist. The average heartbeat of an adult person is 72 times per minute. Heartbeat. What is heartbeat? One complete rhythmic contraction of the heart followed by its relaxation is called a heartbeat. Now, excretion in animals. The process of removal of waste products produced in the cells of the living organism is called excretion. Excretory system in humans consists of the following organs: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. A pair of kidneys are present in humans. These are situated at the level of the waist on either side of the vertebral column. Kidneys are brick red in color and bean shaped. Sometimes a person's kidney may stop working due to infection or injury. As a result of both kidneys, the waste product start accumulating in the blood and the person may die in a week or so. The usual treatment for kidney failure is either dialysis or kidney transplant. What is dialysis? The process of cleaning the blood of a person by separating the toxic waste products using a dialysis machine is called dialysis. Now, I hope it's all clear to you children. Thank you.